Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to use TumbleBooks, one of the many free e-resources available through the Central Islip Public Library. It's an easy and convenient way for kids of all ages to read and learn while having fun at the same time. All you need is internet access and a computer, tablet, or mobile phone. You're going to love it. On TumbleBooks, you will have instant access to ebooks, talking picture books, puzzles, games, graphic novels, videos, and even a cool ebook of the day selection, which features storybooks, read-alongs, graphic novels, and nonfiction. You're sure to find what you're looking for on TumbleBooks. Let's explore TumbleBook Library and learn how to tumble together. To get started, visit the Central Islip Public Library e-resources page and click on the TumbleBook Library logo on the right-hand side of the screen. This will take you to the TumbleBooks homepage. No passwords required. I told you it was easy. Welcome to the TumbleBook Library homepage. TumbleBooks is easy to navigate and accessible in English, French, and Spanish. Use the drop-down box in the top right-hand corner to select your language. Let's start by exploring one of my favorite parts of TumbleBooks, the featured books of the day. These can be found towards the top of the homepage and are easy to scroll through. Browse through all of the selections, including read-along, storybook, ebook, graphic novel, nonfiction, and even a video of the day. By swiping to the right or left, you can find exactly what you're looking for. When you decide what you'd like to read, click on the picture of the book to get started. Here you can read a summary of the book that you have chosen, and then you can decide to either read it online now or add it to your favorites to read later. Let's see what happens when we click Read Online. Here we are. As you can see, the read along option allows us to read along with the story of the day while it is read to us. As we read, the sentence being read will be highlighted. The toolbar on the left-hand side allows us to close the book, change the speed using the auto and manual functions, turn the volume on and off, and even get help with a word or sentence that you're struggling with. The toolbar at the bottom allows you to pause, restart, or move to the last page or the next page. Feel free to play around with these tools as you get more comfortable using TumbleBooks. Now that you know how to read a book on TumbleBooks, you can explore all of the book categories that the website has to offer by clicking on the Category tab on the homepage. You're already a pro. If you have a book that you love, or you just don't have time to read the book now, you can click on Add to Favorites in the bottom left-hand corner, and your book will be automatically saved in your Favorites section. What a great way to keep track of what you read. Whenever you want to access the book, simply click on Favorites on the toolbar at the top of the homepage. You can also add games and videos. How cool! Here's what my favorite section looks like. Whether I want to read a graphic novel, a picture book, or even just play a game, all I have to do is click on my favorites and I'm ready to go. There are dozens of videos to watch if you click on the Videos tab on the toolbar at the top of your screen. Once you have chosen what you'd like to watch, you can either play the video, add the video to your favorites like we did in the last few slides, or add the video to a playlist, which is another way to save the video. Playlists are easily accessible by clicking on the Playlists tab on the toolbar. Playlists are also neat because they categorize each book or video by the language and the length. If you only have 10 minutes or want to read something bilingual, or you're just looking for an early reader, the Playlists tab is a great place to find exactly what you're looking for. Last, but certainly not least, let's check out all of the puzzles and games that TumbleBooks has to offer. By now, I'm sure that you already know, but you can get into the puzzles and games by clicking on the tab at the top of the homepage. Feel free to explore the new games, memory games, and even games in Spanish that are offered on TumbleBooks. Once you've selected the game that you'd like to play, you can either add it to your favorites, which you already know how to do, or you can play it right away. Funny enough, to play the game, you also click Read Online. You can play for as long as you'd like, and when you're finished, you can exit by simply clicking the X on the tab that you're playing in. That's it. Now you're a TumbleBook Pro. Thanks for watching. I hope that you found this video helpful. Be sure to check out the Central Islip Public Library YouTube channel for more information on all of the wonderful e-resources available to you through your library. Hope to see you in the Children's Department soon. Happy tumbling!